Hi guys, German Pickle here. I've just finished the replacement of the battery in my Kia Soul EV key fob, and the video I made for you guys to show you how I did it had awful video, so I'm recording it again. So I know for some people replacing a battery on a key fob is intimidating considering how expensive the key fobs are. So I figured I'd show you guys real quickly how to do this. It'll take under 2 minutes of your time. You're going to need two basic things. You're going to need a screwdriver. So in this case I have one just where I can pull the bit out to make it a little easier. And you're going to need 2032 batteries. As you can see, all four empty because I just did all four remotes. So to get started on this, on the back of the key is the push button. Push the button in. That'll release your emergency key for the door. Okay, you'll see that there's a little notch in there. Put your screwdriver into the notch, give it a gentle twist, and you'll see that the key fob pulls itself apart. You can now use your fingers and pull the key fob apart. Be careful, these plastic trim pieces sometimes come loose. So we're going to keep those in place, and there is your 2032 battery. Okay, now this one's a little tricky to get out, so I'm going to use the screwdriver and just kind of wedge it out like this. If you got sharp fingernails, you might be able to get in there with your hand. If you notice, the battery was with the positive terminal down. You want to make sure you put it back in the same way. So when you put in your battery, you're going to slide it in that side first and then just push down, and it'll make a little clicking sound when it's perfectly seated in place. Have a quick look around here. This is where your dust seal is going to go. You want to be able to keep dust, dirt, and any moisture out of here to keep your key fob working for many years. So just have a quick look there to make sure that there's no dust, and then start at the top of your key because we took it apart starting at the bottom of our key. There's a little tiny little tab down there, so you're going to put it together starting down there as so. You're just going to line it up, which apparently I can't do very well, and then start by pushing down at that end of the key and just work your way around. It will click like that. Have a quick look all the way around to make sure you got a good even seal because you don't want to get dust in there. Test your buttons real quick. Make sure that you got the LED lighting up, which we have here, and that's essentially it. You are done. You can reassemble your key, put it back on your keychain, and you are good to go. As you can see, replacing the battery in a key fob is a real simple process, and even though that these keys are so expensive, there is nothing intimidating about them. I hope this video has helped you and hopefully taken some of the difficulty and the intimidation out of this for you so that it's easier for you to do. Thanks for watching, and talk to you next time.